So welcome back, and we'll start a small topic, not large, that is over voltage. Over voltage. Actually, over voltage, if we apply, let's say, certain kind of opposing EMF to the galvanic cell, then galvanic cell reaction gets reversed. Meaning what? Let's say if you have galvanic cell तुमने लिया हुआ है, सबको याद है galvanic cell. If you the electrode and its so let's say if it's a galvanic cell, so it is going to have a physical reaction. Again, this is a salt bridge, this is one electrode and its electrolytic solution, this is second electron and its electrolytic solution. When we apply this, so let's say it's a spontaneous reaction. So let's say इसके across potential drop, जो velocity, जो voltage है 1.2 volt है, let's say 1.23, let's say 1.23 volt इसके across potential drop. So meaning what? कि again ये मान लो this is negatively charged, so this was anode, this was positively charged, this was cathode. What you do? You apply the opposing potential. Opposing potential meaning what? कि जो cathode है उसको anode में convert कर दो, जो anode है उसको cathode में, and apply. Now let's say if I take this, so if I apply, now it's a cathode, तो इसको anode में convert करना है. How to make it? To make this positive. Positive जैसे तो यहाँ पे एक मैंने DC बैटरी लगाया, ये it will become cathode. Now it will become anode, it will become cathode, and there is ion, the salt bridge is there. तो जैसे ही तुम opposing potential apply करोगे, opposing potential यहाँ पे क्या था? Current was flowing like this. तुमने जैसे यहाँ पे बैटरी अप्लाई किया, करंट फ्लो ऐसा शुरू होना, मतलब ऐसे उसका डायरेक्शन हो जाएगा. So the moment you apply the opposing potential, the reaction becomes reversed, means cathode becomes anode, anode becomes cathode. And this is done slightly, this can be done at the voltage slightly higher than this. इसका जैसे ये, तो this is slightly higher than 1.23 volt पे ये शुरू हो जाएगा. It will start acting like a electrolysis. Electrolysis is just opposite of galvanic cell reaction. In galvanic cell we have a spontaneous reaction. In electrolysis it's a non-spontaneous, means there we supply the voltage and then this reaction takes place. Okay. So if we apply potential greater than 1.25, 1.3, so this will start operating, means this will start acting oppositely. Okay. If I, let's say, why I have taken this? Now let's say if I take a galvanic cell constructed by the oxygen gas. Okay. So if I take a galvanic cell that is PtH2H plus, this is H plus O2 Pt. This is our galvanic cell. If I find its E0, so here the oxidation reaction is what? So this is oxidation potential. This is going to give me H plus 2 electron. Its E0 is taken as 0, and this reduction is, this is getting reduced. Here H plus, यहाँ पे water again. Obviously it's an aqueous solution. So this is going to be the water here. So this is, so O2 plus H plus. So half O2 H plus plus 2 electron gives me H2. For this standard, this is oxidation, the standard reaction potential for this, if I tell you, standard reaction potential for this is 1.23. So if you do this, so its E cell becomes 1.23. वही यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है, मैंने assume किया है कि this is a hydrogen, means oxygen is one of the electrode here. Okay, so oxygen is one of the electrode. So if we want to, again this is a galvanic cell 1. If you want to reverse this reaction, you have to apply voltage more than 1.23. Theoretically it can be 1.25, it can be 1.3 volt. But when we try to do this in reality, experimentally this does not take place. Means you cannot reverse reaction at 1.25 volt or at 1.3 volt. You need slightly higher voltage to reverse the reaction. You need slightly higher voltage to reverse the reaction. And for this reaction, for this one to reverse, where the oxygen is one of the gaseous electrode, one of the gaseous component of the electrolytic of the galvanic cell, so for this reaction we need 1.7 volt of you need 1.7 volt to reverse this reaction. For this if you want to reverse it, you need 7 volt. This is experimentally. But what I have said कि जो गैल्वेनिक सेल का वोल्टेज उससे जस्ट थोड़ा सा हायर वोल्टेज तुमने किया तो रिएक्शन होता है रिवर्स. लेकिन दिस इज नॉट देयर इन द केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड इफ वन ऑफ द कंपोनेंट इज गैसियस. वी नीड मच हायर वोल्टेज टू रिवर्स द रिएक्शन, एंड दिस हायर वोल्टेज इज टर्म्ड एज ओवर वोल्टेज. दिस हायर वोल्टेज इज टर्म्ड एज ओवर वोल्टेज. सो प्लीज राइट एक्सेस ऑफ वोल्टेज ओवर द रिक्वायर्ड वोल्टेज. यहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड वोल्टेज क्या है? 1.23 से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टू रिवर्स द रिएक्शन ऑफ दिस गैल्वेनिक सेल. सो एक्सेस ऑफ वोल्टेज ओवर द रिक्वायर्ड वोल्टेज नेसेसरी टू रिवर्स द सेल रिएक्शन called over voltage. Necessary to reverse the cell reaction is called over voltage. और जनरली ये कब होता है? when gas evolution is observed, then it is going to take place. When gas evolution is observed, उस केस में ये समझ में आता है. और जनरली हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन के केस में होता है. हाइड्रोजन के केस में दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट जीरो. when the oxygen gas comes out, और ऑक्सीजन गैस जैसे तुमने रिवर्स तुम अगर करते हो तो ऑक्सीजन गैस आ जाएगा. अगेन दिस इज अ गैल्वेनिक सेल रिएक्शन. इफ यू रिवर्स इट, अगर तुम रिवर्स तुम करते हो तो क्या आ जाएगा? दिस वाज एनोड, नहीं इट वाज कैथोड, दिस वाज एनोड. नाउ इट विल एक्ट एज अ एनोड. तो ये एनोड हो जाएगा. क्या? H2 इज गोइंग टू ऑक्सीडाइज. तो हाफ O2 is 2H plus 2 electron, and this will be cathode where 2H plus 2 electron will give you H2. So generally when gas evolution takes place, there over voltage comes into picture. And generally mainly oxygen case में आता है. when hydrogen gas comes out, there the over voltage is almost zero. Experimentally it has been found over voltage is almost zero. So please write the more specific definition of over voltage. The difference between the actual and theoretical voltage. The difference between the actual and the theoretical voltage for electrolysis to happen. For electrolysis to happen, when gas evolution is observed, when gas evolution is observed, is known as over voltage. यहाँ पे कितना आना चाहिए था? यहाँ पे E0 ये था, दिस वाज रिडक्शन. तो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन कितना होना चाहिए था? -1.3 वोल्ट. लेकिन एक्चुअली this is, you need another -2 volt, that is -1.48 volt to reverse this reaction. So for this case, again as the electrode changes, this also changes. This I am saying for platinum electrode. This is for platinum electrode. So this over voltage for platinum electrode. Agar if you take some other electrode like Fe nickel, so this over voltage will change. ओके तो सिंपल पॉइंट क्या है कि जहाँ पे गैस इवोल्यूशन है वहाँ पे अगर इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस तुमको कैरी आउट करना है तो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू अप्लाई सम extra voltage which was not required by the theory. By theory we need a smaller voltage, but actually we need a higher voltage. So this extra voltage is termed as over voltage, and this is mainly significant in case of when oxygen comes out. When oxygen evolves, then this is very significant. Mainly we have converted this over voltage is converted into two types basically. One is hydrogen over voltage. So over voltage is two types. One is hydrogen over voltage. Second is oxygen. So hydrogen over voltage and oxygen over voltage. At platinum electrode, basically, at platinum electrode, the hydrogen over voltage is 0. HOV, hydrogen over voltage is 0 at platinum electrode, and we generally take platinum electrode only for as an inert electrode. Here, the oxygen over voltage at platinum electrode is 0.25 volt. It is minus 2 volt here. So this is for oxygen over voltage. Okay, एक दो पॉइंट लिख लो. First, generally metal which possesses higher hydrogen over voltage possesses lower oxygen over voltage. And second point, generally metal which possesses higher oxygen over voltage possesses lower hydrogen over voltage. बस इतना ही ध्यान में रखना है, and that is sufficient for electrolysis chapter. Okay. So first of all, over voltage क्या है कि जो जनरली अगर कॉमन गैल्वेनिक सेल है और उस रिएक्शन को रिवर्स करना है तो you need a voltage slightly more than the voltage that we are getting from the galvanic cell. But in case of certain electrodes where oxygen is a one product which is coming out, in that case the voltage required is not slightly more, but we need very high voltage, and that is called the oxygen, that is called over voltage. Okay. And तो यहाँ पे लिखा है कि for oxygen over voltage for platinum electrode is 0.25. तो ये ध्यान में रखो, बस ये अपने कोर्स में है. एंड दिस इज ओनली इन द केस when gases is a product, gases is evolving, in that case we'll have a over voltage concept. Okay, in that case if you want to reverse the reaction, if one of the gas is a product, then you need a higher voltage required than the theoretical voltage. Okay, so thank you.